Hard working every day. I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts. Wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah. Make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away, you and me. Go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii.
Yeah.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she's just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like she's whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space.
Hi, Copper. I want your hair color. All right, and you're supposed to laugh. So, if you've ever been to a typical yoga class, you're supposed to be quiet and only hear your breath. Yeah. We actually want to hear you scream and laugh and carry on and have a ball. Have a good time. It's not the class where you should be quiet. I love this. I was like, what is that? What is life, bro? No, do a nay. Nay.
Let's try and find the other one. I think the other one starts. I want to welcome all the folks listening on 650 AM WSM and WSMonline.com, and thanks for being with us on a Friday night. So sit back, relax, and leave the driving to us.